Right now, I am on the back porch, and I'm gonna go inside because Miss Marissa just showed me the funniest damn thing. So I'm gonna go inside. So it's not scripted. I want her to show me. It's Columbia, South Carolina. It's about 34 degrees outside, and ma'am,
Yes.
show me that again. It's 34 degrees outside. So what did you do with your? And she has so many babies.
Yeah.
She has some. Wait, what?
You're bullying me.
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna bully you. She has, she has so many babies, but you said it's cold outside,
Yeah, look.
so you put a skull cap and a sweater.
Yeah, look, he's handsome.
Oh my God, this is just so freaking crazy.
It's nice, yeah. He's a professional boxer. Chuk, 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 chuk. He's cold too.
I was outside because I just got off work, so I was. Wait, ma'am, wait. I just got off work about an hour ago, so I was sitting outside just to enjoy the cool air. And to be honest, it is kind of cold. No, you can't be shy. No, don't. Bullshit. You can't be shy. So she came outside and she said, Asawa. Asawa means,
Husband.
no, Asawako means my husband. She said, I put some extra clothes on my babies. So she put a sweater and a skull cap. I don't know what the hell that is.
It's cold.
How freaking crazy. And it's funny because actually at the same time, wait, let me get over here. At the same time, I'm going to come right here. She is on the phone with her Ate May. Hello, Ate May. Hello. Look at that. Look how beautiful. She's so pretty. What is this bullshit? You can't put a sweater
Of course you can.
on a stuffed bear. That is so damn funny. And of course, I'm making a joke about that because Marissa is every day, not every day, but maybe Marissa, help me out. Maybe 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
It's been really, really cold,
Yes,
right?
yes, it is. Especially now they have ice on the roof. I can't go outside because it's cold for me.
And I think I put it in an earlier post. Marissa is used to temperatures that are. In the Philippines, they say. In the Philippines, they say Celsius. In the U.S., we say Fahrenheit. But for us in the U.S., in the Philippines, it's 95, 99, 102 every day. But they do not, and I said this before, they do not have spring, fall, winter, summer. They don't have that like us.
You want to be a movie star?
All right, ma'am.
I want to know his name. I'm Mark.
Wait a minute. I'm doing a Clint Eastwood production, so I can win an award. Okay.
Han, his name is Mark.
His name is Mark.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm gonna change his clothes also, my princess later. Yun.
Oh my gosh.
She's my princess. You need to change his clothes to later. Say, good morning.
Okay, wait. Why does Mark or whatever have a sweater
I'm gonna
and a
change her also later.
Bullshit.
Oh, wait.
You take care of the boy, but you don't take care of the girl. Why? Bucket.
No, I'm gonna look sweater for her later nga kasi I changed his clothes. This is his sweater I changed.
Why?
This is
Bucket.
sweater.
What the hell?
Bucket.
That's so funny.
Ducky.
Okay.
Okay, Okay, go there. I'm
I
gonna change her later.
I wanted to come make a funny video because Miss Marissa is talking to Auntie May, and Auntie May is the boss. May is the boss of everything because she's the auntie, so she's the boss of everything. But I want
Parang tao.
look at this.
Parang tao.
Wait,
Hi.
let me get Auntie May here.
Hi, Tita May. Hi.
Same like me. My goodness. Oh my God.
Hi.
Okay, man, that is so damn funny.
Okay, I'm gonna change.
All right,
this for
I have to
the
work, so I'm
princess.
going to sleep. But it's so damn funny when Miss Marissa is on the phone with Ate May. Marissa and May are so damn fun. They're so funny. May and Marissa, they're so funny. Anyway, see, look.
Ano?
It's so funny.
It's cold too.
Oh, this is crazy. I have to go to sleep because I have to go to work. But it's so damn funny to see a Filipina with her.
He's handsome, yeah.
No, he's not handsome. I'm handsome. I'm pogy. I am so pogy. I am so guapo. No, he is not. He is not handsome. I am handsome. That's so funny. All right, I just want to come make fun, bully Miss Marissa a little bit, and bully Ate May. I'm gonna be a bully. Chan 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 chan. All right, baby. Ma'am, I'm gonna go to sleep. All right.
Yeah.
Ate May, I'm going to sleep, honey. Love you.
Tulog ka na, go to sleep.
Yeah, I love you, ma'am. I'm going to sleep. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I just woke up. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I have to work at 6 p.m. tonight. And I wake up and Miss Marissa she's ironing clothes. Why? What is it, ma'am? Bakit? Why?
Apay. Bakit?
No, bakit is Tagalog, no? Or
Tagalog. Apay is Ilocano. Apay, bakit?
say that again.
Apay. Ah?
No, I said bakit. I thought that was Tagalog. No?
Tagalog, yeah. That's Tagalog.
Okay, but Ilocano is what?
Apay. Apay.
Spell it.
A-P-A-Y. Apay.
Say it again.
Apay.
Apay.
Yeah, that's right.
As an American, it's better if I see it with letters and I hear the words. So Ilocano is apay. Is that right or no?
Right.
Apay.
That's right. Right.
You said right.
Right.
She sounds like a. She sounds. She sounds like she's from Mississippi. That's right. Right. She always makes fun of my accent. All right, we're gonna try to finish this video, but just to give you guys an idea what Marissa is doing. So she is ironing my uniform. I'm going back to sleep. It's about, what time is it, babe? Let me look at my. It's about 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1:05.
So I have to wake up at about 4 so I can be at work at 6. And of course, I'm always early. I do not arrive at 6 o'clock. If my schedule is 6 o'clock, of course, I'm going to arrive at 5:30, 5:15 at the latest. Wait.
Huh?
What is that pink person on the couch? The pink person on the couch.
This is my princess
That's your princess. What the hell?
because I'm her mom. We bought the same clothes.
What in the...
So pretty. Yeah.
Why in the hell is a teddy bear wearing a sweater? Why?
She's cold.
Bucket! Why?
Malamig, it's cold. She's cold.
It's so funny. Oh Oh my God, Marissa is so crazy.
Yeah.
And
She's
seriously,
pretty.
huh?
She's pretty.
Well, she was pretty before the sweater.
Yeah.
The sweater did not make her pretty.
Oh
She would.
no! Look. It makes pretty if you're wearing clothes with my princess.
Oh my God, this is so. Filipinas are so crazy. Hey, babe. Marissa is laughing. But, ma'am, for you in the Philippines, you are used to 100 degrees every day. Now it's down to 60 degrees, 50 degrees at night. And Marissa, right now it's daytime, so she's wearing short sleeve. But at nighttime, Marissa puts on a sweater because
Yeah, every night.
it's 70 degrees or 60 degrees. There's been a couple of nights it's 50 degrees, but it's so funny. Marissa is dying because it's so cold. And she has, what is it, 1, 2, 3, I think you have 4 stuffed animals.
Yeah,
She
are
put-
wearing sweatshirt also.
She put a sweater on hers.
You
Oh my
know,
God.
they're
Oh.
so you need to take good care of my babies too.
You have to take care of my babies. No, they do not have a soul, ma'am. They cannot feel heat and cold.
They
But-
feel also.
Oh my freaking God.
You can see the face and the no. They said, "Mommy, I need to change. I need some sweat."
Oh my freaking God. So I think she's got not her small animals, but her big stuffed animals. She puts a sweater. Wait, let me look. Actually, I was gonna come. This one has a hoodie. Turn the.
It's so cute, yeah.
Oh!
We have a bright. It's so cute.
This animal
Hi,
did not.
Daddy. Hey.
Hi, Daddy. This animal did not come with that. Yeah, she bought. Oh my God. Because Miss Marissa says, my babies are getting cold. I'm going to come over there and kick you. That is so funny. All right, Marissa is ironing my uniforms.
Yeah, that's right.
No American woman will do that, but yeah. She's ironing uniform, and I know she's going to go to sleep later. I wanted to include that in this video. Turn around, Marissa, and say hi. Please subscribe,
Hi,
like,
subscribe and like. Do not forget
Share.
to follow the channel.
share the channel.
For the channel. Yeah, thank you so much for watching for the videos from United States, from Philippines.
Do it one more time. Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, so our channel they helps to grow.
Yes, ma'am. How many American women have you ever seen with an iron on an iron board? That's just so crazy. All right, folks, we'll finish this later.
Yeah.
Just so crazy. All right, Marissa, I'm going to sleep because I have to work tonight. So,
Yeah, you have to sleep.
all right, beautiful lady.
I'm just busy for it.
All right, I'm going to sleep. Good night, Mrs. Pounds.
Good night, everyone.
Yeah, yeah.